Hey there, friends! Today, I want to talk about a big shakeup in Zimbabwean politics that could have major implications for the country's future. Nelson Chamisa, the face of Zimbabwe's opposition, has just resigned from the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. So, why did he step down? Chamisa accuses the ruling ZANU-PF party of meddling in the CCC, pushing out his members from parliament and local councils. He claims this manipulation is part of a broader pattern of authoritarian practices by the government. But there's more to the story. Chamisa's leadership has faced criticism for its structureless approach, which some say left the CCC vulnerable. Critics argue that a lack of solid organization made it easy for ZANU-PF to infiltrate and disrupt the party. This is a classic example of how internal strife can weaken a political movement. Despite stepping down from the CCC, Chamisa isn't bowing out of politics. He's hinted at launching a new political movement, aiming to rebuild and present a stronger challenge to ZANU-PF. Imagine a phoenix rising from the ashes, ready to fight once again. This brings us to the bigger picture, Zimbabwe's struggle for a genuine democratic process. For years, the ruling party has been accused of using state institutions to weaken the opposition, making it incredibly difficult for any real political competition. It's like trying to win a race with one leg tied. Chamisa's resignation has sparked a lot of debate. Many say it highlights the ongoing issues within Zimbabwe's opposition politics: disunity, infiltration, and manipulation. But it also brings hope. His supporters believe this could be the start of something new and stronger. There's speculation that Chamisa's new movement will be symbolized by the color blue, a fresh start, a new dawn. But this isn't just about one man or one party. It's about the future of Zimbabwean democracy. The international community has a role to play here too. Holding the government accountable for human rights abuses and electoral manipulation is crucial. In the end, Nelson Chamisa's resignation could be seen as a strategic move, one that aims to unify the fragmented opposition and offer a credible alternative to ZANU-PF. Only time will tell how this unfolds, but one thing is certain: Zimbabwe's political landscape is changing, and the world is watching. So what do you think? Will Chamisa's new movement bring the change Zimbabwe needs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on global politics. Thanks for watching.